How to import contacts into Brevo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to easily import email contacts into your Brevo account so that if you have a CSV file such as this, you can easily add them and do email marketing using Brevo. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in inside of your Brevo account. Then you have to come into the left-hand section and click on Contacts. From there, you have to go into the right hand side and click on Import Contacts. Here you have to select Contacts and then click on Continue. You will be taken into this particular page. You have to click on Import from a file and then you have to upload your file. So I'll click on the button here and then I'm going to be navigating into the file and I'm going to select it. After the file has been uploaded, you need to scroll down and you need to confirm your file. Now let's scroll down again. And since we do not want any of these rows, we are going to be keeping them as do not import. Now let's scroll down. Now since we want both the phone number and the email ID, we are going to be selecting these and we are going to be clicking on confirm mapping. Once that is done, we have to select a list within which we are going to be adding these contacts. You can either select any one of the lists that has been provided by default or you can create a list from scratch. I'm going to be selecting the test list for the time being. So let me select that and let me click on confirm your list. Once that is done, you have to finalize your import. For that, you can just come here and you can confirm the opt-in. And now click on confirm your import. So as you can see, the import has been completed and 50 new contacts have been added currently into my list. So this is how you can import contacts using Brevo. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Phil signing off.